Okay, so I did this video to kind of show you what we do at these photo shoots. Still going on, sun's gone down, and well, we're beyond the golden hour, but it's still all right. It's looking great. We did the drone shots, and oh my god, I think these are going to be good. Okay, so we're all about done with the photo shoot. I'm just gonna finish up the last few shots here with the two cars. And again, this is being done by 412 Photography. I'm gonna put a link to his Flickr account and his Instagram as well if you want to see this really cool stuff that he puts out. But great time, awesome. Just wanted to give you guys a behind the scenes view of the shoot with these two amazing Loricon spiders.